Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to activate custom menus only after selecting the topic using JavaScript in Storyline 360. First, open your project in Storyline 360. Once your slide is ready, create a new text variable. This variable will track user interactions. Next, create a trigger that adjusts this variable whenever the user clicks button 1. Assign the value of the variable to the name of the scene. Repeat this process for button 2 and button 3, assigning the appropriate scene names to the variable. Now open the slide master and create a new trigger that executes JavaScript when the timeline starts on this slide. Open the JavaScript editor and paste the code provided for the menu functionality. Insert your main menu title in the designated area of the JavaScript code. Click OK to save your changes, and then close the slide master. Preview your course. You will see that only the menu corresponding to the scene the user clicked is visible. You've successfully set up custom menus that activate only after selecting the topic in Storyline 360 using JavaScript. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.